Do you have a sluggish throttle and wish your Tacoma had a little bit more get up and go? Hello, this is Steven with Mod in Japan, and this is another episode of MIJ Tech, where we'll be reviewing the DTE Systems PedalBox that is installed in our Mod in Japan 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road we call the MIJ Taco. Before we start, let me first say that I think this just might be the best bang for your buck modification you could do to any vehicle. Very rarely do you have a product at this price point that gives you so much benefit for so little cost. Now, if you are a third generation Tacoma owner, you already know that this modern truck has legendary reliability. But that reliability comes at a price. Modern cars are all equipped with drive-by-wire throttles, which means the throttle pedal sends an electronic signal to the engine to rev up, which inherently has a lag time. With modern technology comes modern solutions, and DTE Systems has developed an awesome device to combat that drive-by-wire delay, which is their electronic throttle controller they call the PedalBox. The PedalBox is an additional control unit with 4 user-selectable programs that increases throttle response by removing delays in the accelerator, resulting in enhanced drivability. With the PedalBox, you get a direct throttle response giving you a more sporty and dynamic driving experience. Depending on what kind of driver or situation you are in, they provide you with 5 different driving modes, which each of them having 7 different levels of adjustment. So you can finely tune your driving experience. PedalBox works with all vehicle types including automatic and manual transmission equipped vehicles. You can control these settings either with the provided remote control or using their easy to use smart device app. If you aren't looking for sporty driving, there's also an eco mode, which will help you save time and money by increasing your fuel economy, which makes the PedalBox an easy decision considering that it's not only an upgrade, it's an investment that pays itself off in the gas savings year over year. With the PedalBox, you also have some safety features, including an immobilizer to protect against vehicle theft, as well as a limit mode to the throttle, so you can make sure there's no funny business with a valet or someone borrowing your car. They are so confident that you're going to love your PedalBox, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee trial, so there really isn't any risk to trying it out to see if it meets your expectations. One of the best parts of the PedalBox is that the installation is insanely easy and not a permanent or destructive modification. All you have to do is unplug a harness that is connected to your accelerator pedal, plug that into the PedalBox, and plug the included harness that's attached to the PedalBox to your accelerator pedal. Literally, it takes less than 5 minutes to accomplish. Uninstallation is that, but just in reverse. Afterwards, just tuck the unit into a secure location with your preferred method. To pair the Pro remote with the Pro base, all you have to do is press and hold the plus button, and the blue light on the remote control will signal the pairing and tell you what the current settings are on your device. Lastly, what sets the PedalBox apart is their Perfect Tune auto calibration feature. Perfect Tune is a personalization and allows you to adjust your throttle to suit you and your car. To turn it on, all you have to do is select one of the modes, either Eco, City, Sport, or Sport Plus mode, and hold down the plus and minus buttons for 3 seconds. The Perfect Tune is now activated, and you can adjust your throttle accelerator pedal movements from 0 to 100%, and the PedalBox automatically learns and self-tunes itself to each vehicle. To make you feel even more comfortable, PedalBox is made in Germany and comes with a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer warranty. We have it on our Tacoma and it's been a night and day difference with the Tacoma, feeling far more responsive and alive. It also feels like it doesn't hunt for the transmission since the engine stays in a better RPM range and with less effort input from my foot. The Tacoma has very tall gears, so having a throttle controller really makes a huge difference in driver experience and performance, and interestingly enough in comfort as well, since it really levels the car out. If you want one, I'll link all the information you need in the description below. If you want to support us in videos like this, buy one from us. If you find a better deal from another trustworthy distributor, buy it there. Can't blame anyone for getting a good deal. You could also help us by subscribing and hitting the notification bell and throwing a like on this video, and add a comment below letting us know that you grabbed a PedalBox. You can also find us on social media, I'll link those below as well, and as always, we appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.